why I love this book. A very sad story here, a story of someone's unraveling on the background of the unraveling of his country. This story is called a novel, The Sound of Things Falling. The author is Juan Gabriel Vasquez, one of the most brilliant youngish writers coming out of Latin America. And he tells the story of Antonio, who is a young law professor who tries to keep his own life together and who is shot and severely wounded in a hit-and-run shooting that was actually aimed at someone else, who dies during this time. And this someone else was a vague friend, and he gets posthumously sucked into the past of this vague friend, and that past opens up the panorama of Colombian history, of drugs and of violence, and of people struggling to lead normal lives, of people struggling to still find a little corner of happiness. And you see how this violence corrodes everyone, makes everyone coarser, damages everyone, but how it makes the need for happiness all the greater, and how people are going to extremes in various ways. Well, Antonio's life is unraveling. I won't give away which way it is going, but it's one of the great novels you could read at the moment.